Bienvenue guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be making some shrimp tacos, and for this we're going to be using some Cajun seasoning. Any brand is okay. Some black pepper, some salt, you can use your table salt as well, and some smoked paprika. You can use the regular paprika as well. Also, I'll be using some jumbo shrimp. Let's get to seasoning. So first we're going to go in with our Cajun seasoning. Followed by some of my smoked paprika. Next, my sea salt. And lastly, my black pepper. Y'all know I love some black pepper. And now we're just going to mix this all together, making sure every piece of shrimp is covered and coated with that seasoning. So the shrimp is all coated. Let's head on over to the stove so we can start to toast our tortilla shells. So this is the type of tortilla that I'm using. I'm using the super soft one. You can use whatever your preference is. Now, if you have a gas burner stove, you can place the tortilla shells directly on the grate of the stove and you can toast it that way. So you can flip it over, get the edges a bit brown if that's what you want. Also, you can put them in foil packs, place them in your oven for about 15 to 30 minutes to toast if that's your preference as well. And there's no oil or butter in the pan, it's just a dry toasting. And I am going to flip it after about 3 to 5 minutes on each side. Nice, you guys see it got a little bit toasted. Now we're going to move on to the shrimp. Now in my cast iron skillet, I'm going to go in with some butter. And I'm also going to be adding a little bit of olive oil to that. And that's just so that the butter does not burn. Because for this recipe, I don't need the butter to get brown. So once the butter is all melted, we're going to start to go in with our shrimp. You see how beautiful that shrimp looks? So I'm just going to lay them down one by one, giving them enough space in between. And my heat is on medium. And we're going to cook them for 2 minutes on each side. Do not overcook your shrimp. Shrimp becomes rubbery when it's overcooked. And my shrimp is all done. Y'all see how juicy this is and plump it got? Yep. So I'm going to start to remove them. Place them in a bowl on the side. And then we're going to start to assemble our tacos. So guys, here I have my shrimp that's cooked. I have some cilantro, some tomatoes, some cabbage, lime, guacamole, and I have some avocado slices and my tortilla shells. So the first thing I'm going to be adding is my cabbage. So my cabbage is going to be the base, and I'm going to be adding them now. And after my cabbage, I went in with my tomatoes, followed by my avocado slices, my shrimp, and I top that with my cilantro, my ranch dressing, and some Parmesan cheese. You can build your taco however you like to, whatever your preference in vegetables are. And this is the end product.